Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect the Arc app. First, download the Arc app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in using your existing credentials. It's a quick process, taking less than 1 minute. Before proceeding, make sure your device's Bluetooth is turned on, as this is essential for the initial pairing process. Now that you're logged in, open the Arc app and look for the Devices or Connect section, usually found on the main dashboard. Tap Add New Device and select your specific Arc product from the list. The app will then guide you through a few simple on-screen prompts to establish a secure connection. This usually involves confirming a code or pressing a button on your Arc device, taking about 30 seconds. With your Arc device successfully paired, it's time to personalize your experience. Navigate to the app's dashboard where you'll find a wealth of customization options. You can adjust audio profiles, set notification preferences, and even rename your device for easier identification. Take a few moments to explore these features and save your preferred settings. This ensures your Arc device operates exactly how you want it, enhancing your daily use. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Troubleshooting is straightforward. First, verify your Arc device's battery level and ensure your Bluetooth connection is stable. Often, simply restarting both the Arc app and your connected device can resolve minor glitches. For more persistent problems, consult the comprehensive in-app help section or visit the Arc website for detailed support articles and frequently asked questions. Help is always available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.